Hey y'all, so I want to do an unboxing. I finally ordered a work bag. I've been searching high and low. So if you know of a better one, please let me know. I have 30 days to try this bag out. I wanted something leather, something with like the feet at the bottom because I'm kind of rough when it comes to book bags. I'm throwing it in my back seat. It's on the floor, it's on my desk, over my shoulder, hustling, bustling like through crowded hallways. So let me know if you know of a better bag. I want it to be leather, I want it to be tote, and I want it to have the feet at the bottom. So I've been searching all over. I don't know. I didn't want like a basic tote bag. I wanted something cute, something with some style to it. So I found this bag. Hopefully I like it. If not, it's going back. So this is what I ordered. Coach bag. This is how it came. So let's see. This is big. Okay. This is really big. Yeah. This is the Gramercy tote bag. This is black leather. I definitely wanted something with the little feet at the bottom. It has a pocket in the inside and it has a snap here, but online it says that it could fit a lot in here, and the straps are adjustable, so you can make it, I guess, a little longer or shorter depending on your preference. So I don't know, what y'all think? I mean, I don't know. All right, so let's see if my work stuff can fit in here. Well, I know my work stuff can fit in here, but let's just see how well this bag carries. I'm pretty rough when it comes to bags. I'm throwing it in my back seat, over my shoulder, on the floor, on my desk, hustle and bustle throughout the busy hallway. So I just want to make sure that it's durable and that it'll last a long time. So let's start with my work laptop. My journal, my calendar, some papers I need to grade, two folders, pencil case, and some like makeup and hand sanitizer in here. A water bottle. This is really not ideal. I should carry a bag with a pocket on the side, but I'm gonna put it in here. And this is it. something. I think I need something with like more structure. This is kind of like flimsy. And I know because it's the soft leather, but let's see. So, how does it look? What do y'all think? I mean, it's much better than the bag that I was carrying, because I don't even want to show you. And I bought a bag charm. I got the Apple bag charm because I'm a teacher, so. I guess it could go here or here. What is this for? It's a little, no. I guess it would go here. The little apple, cute. So let me know what y'all think. Should I keep the bag or should I exchange it? If you know of a better bag, let me know if y'all think this is a good choice for a work bag. So like I said, I have 30 days to decide if I want to keep it or not, but this is it. Anything is better than the bag that I had. And I also saw that, I didn't see it when I was ordering this bag charm, but I think Coach has a book bag charm. So I think I'm gonna get that. But this bag comes in brown suede, green suede, brown leather, and this black leather. So let me know what y'all think. Was this a good, smart purchase? Let me know. I like this apple. I might like the apple better than the bag. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video. Bye.